The one other thing that we need to do before start implementing our applications with AWS resources, we have to install the Boto3 library for Python. For doing that, we're going to use the Python Package Manager, or pip. Let's just type in pip install and Boto3. And Boto3 dependencies are being collected right now by the Python Package Manager, or pip. And we have the Boto core S3 transfer, documentation utils, and some various Python packages dependent to Boto3 library. So our package manager now is initializing the dependent packages for Python for Boto3, and they are all ready now. Simple as that. We now have our Boto3 and every other thing on our machine to work with AWS resources.